I'm getting tired just watching that night video there. So we're losing an hour of sleep though, but the good news, or the thing some people will appreciate, is that the sun will stay out later in the evening.
Yeah, I love that.
That's right. That gives more time for the kids to play outside in the afternoon when the weather is nice. And today was a gorgeous day to be outside. This photo sent by Scott Legace. He posted to our 10 News Weather Watchers page. It was gorgeous. It was also beautiful at sunset in Oceanside. This one by Rich Cruz. And to be honest, one of the nicest days we've had in a while. I know it was cool, but that trend continues for one more day before we start to see those warmer conditions. The numbers right now averaging in the low 50s Oceanside, 43 Ramona, 47 in Alpine, and we do have a few 30s in our mountains, but it is going to get better. So our headlines include windy conditions in the mountains and deserts for tomorrow. It'll be warmer by Thursday, and then rain will be back in the forecast Friday and Saturday. And I'll explain why some of that rain could lead to flooding in other parts of the state. The winds will be picking up, averaging 20, 30, up to 50 miles per hour, mostly mountains and deserts. The deserts will see some of the strongest winds, and we may have another round of wind also on Friday and Saturday with the next storm system moving in. That's our chance for precipitation. So there's a storm system to the north, and we've seen storms kind of back-to-back track over the same locations. That has led to a lot of rain in Northern California, but now we're adding an atmospheric river. What is that? It's a narrow area of concentrated moisture, and you see that right here by the plume of clouds, and all that moisture is going to be moving into Central California. Northern California will see some of the heaviest totals, but for us, we're going to be tapping into some of that moisture, and what the atmospheric river will do is keep temperatures warmer. So snow levels most likely will start at 9,000 feet, falling to 8,000 feet. That does not give a chance for San Diego to see snow. So our totals as far as rain from Friday to Saturday, most likely between 1/4 of an inch to potentially an inch of rain. And we'll see whether or not some spots could see a little bit more than that. Overnight lows will stay cool with patchy fog by morning for the coast as well as inland communities. Temperatures will average in the upper 50s for one more day, and then up into the 60s for the coast as we get ready for a weekend that we get to lose an hour of sleep. It's okay, we'll get through it. Inland communities will average around 60 degrees tomorrow, closer to 70 Thursday, Friday, with rain in the forecast into the weekend. Mountains will see a lot of that snow that's left on the ground melting, and there's a lot more snow to our north. That is why as it begins melting, flooding will be an issue even for areas up in San Bernardino. So our deserts will stay in the 70s tomorrow, by Thursday close to 80, and a better chance at 80-degree weather next Sunday and Monday. So spring just around the corner. First day, March 20th.
We are going to remember that promise.
Yes.
80 feels beautiful after all this cold.
Yes.
Thanks, Angelica.